You are welcome to Emmanuel Crypto, and in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you could deposit any coin of your choice, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, into your Binance account. And I will also be sharing with you, if you're able to watch it to the end, how you could actually trade them to stablecoin. Stablecoin are coins that are pegged to the US dollar, meaning they don't actually goes up, they don't actually goes down. So we actually convert crypto to stablecoin so that to keep our money afloat, so that anytime a coin is dipping, it will just remain stable as it is. In as much they are pegged to US dollar, and we have a lot of them like the USDT, Ethereum. We have no sorry USDT, USDC. We have DAI and the likes of them. There are many, but I usually make use of USDT. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, share, and click on the bell notification. And after you watch this particular video to them, please actually comment to tell me what you actually gain. So to the one of my particular trader that I've been trading with, told me that he wants to sell BTC. So I'll be using that BTC to deposit into my Binance, which I'll be sharing the screenshot in this place. Let me share it with you now. Let's go to my WhatsApp. So the first thing you just need to know is, in as much he has told me that he's sending BTC, what I will just do is to just come over to this asset section to copy my address. So mind you that before you do all this particular thing, you have to have a Binance account. So if you don't have a Binance account, I'll be dropping the link in the description of the particular video, my referral link. Please kindly make sure you actually use it and do your KYC. So when you come to that particular place, you come down to this place, BTC, because it is BTC. This is another method of you just depositing into your Binance account. So what you do is that you come down to the BTC here. So it will show you a lot of addresses, but the one I used, I sent, because it says sending it from Trust Wallet. The one I sent to him was this particular one. So you tap on it, BTC. You see, this is the address now that was sent to him. This was the address. So after I send that particular BTC, let me show you. So I'm currently using my office line. So this was it. This was the address I copied. This was the address I copied. So I sent it to my personal address on WhatsApp. So this was the screenshot of the BTC. You could see the BTC is around $333. You could see this is it, and you could see here it is showing that it is still pending. So I'll wait for the confirmation for it to drop before I trade. So the confirmation now has already dropped, and I think the BTC is now in my account. So for you to know, you can just come down to this particular notification here, because you always be notified anytime anybody sent anything. So this is it. So let me tap on it. You will see a notification that I received of deposit. You could see here, asset BTC deposit successfully. So let's click on it. Let's tap on it. So you can see it. This is deposit address now. You see it was deposited successfully. This here it says processing, but everything has actually processed and it has entered into my account now. So it is here. So now let's go back to the second one. So like what I say, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe, and I'll be waiting for your comment and also share it, most especially if you're a beginner in crypto space. So this is it. I want to click set to USDT so that it will remain that way, so that you can now trade it in P2P. So you have to tap on BTC USDT. So I have to come to this section. I'm not buying. I have to come to, so I have to, you could see it has even dropped now. I think Bitcoin has got that. You see, something that was 333 now is currently at 332 now. So I just have to say, because I can't say if BTC as at now is going up or is coming down. But one thing I want you to know is that you could see I'm selling at the price of 33,106, and currently it is around 33,000 and 09. So if I tap on send now, it will not be picking until it gets to the particular market price. So let me just tap on it. You can see now it has shown that the trade will be picked, like what I told you. Because if I want to sell at that particular price, I just have to erase it and put it at 83,092. So let's keep on waiting till when it get to that particular because I don't want to lose a lot. So when it is picked, I will continue this particular video because I don't want it to get too long. Yes, finally the trade has been picked, and you can see that it has actually increased back to 83,145. So let's go to my asset section. You see the USDT now is now there. You could see now. Now I am now comfortable because I'm having 133 USDT. So this one now, it can it can stay here for a very long time because it will not go, it will not come down. It's already pegged to US dollar. So from here now, I just have to send it to anywhere to trade it into P2P so I could get cash and send to this particular person I'm about that is about to settle me. So this is how you can actually deposit and sell your BTC into USDT. And if you need any other video on how to use it to trade on P2P, I have a lot of video how you can do it using Bybit. I'll be dropping the playlist of those particular video in the description of this particular video and also in the comment section. But please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so again for anytime we upload any other video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.